Good morning, ma'am.
Children, good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Till where have we done yesterday, Yashmit?
Ma'am, we were doing weld, I think.
I think we
Weld.
had completed Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Amazon. We have to start with the well, and even prairies as well. Now we have to start with wells.
Weld.
Chalo, who will read today? Shelly?
Can I read?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Um, Life in temperate region, prairies and wells. The temperate grasslands, undulating flat regions found between 40° and 55° north and south of the equator in the central areas of the continents. From the temperate region, the
Shelly, it
grasslands
is
are well
pronounced
defined.
as undulating, not undulating. Okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, this we have read. We have to start from weld.
We say we have done the prairies, we have to start from wells, bacha.
Okay, sorry. The grassy plateau or tableland that covers most of the eastern South Africa is known as the Veld. In many places, it is more than 1,200 meters, 3,900 feet above sea level. The central plateau is dry savanna with scattered trees, rolling grasslands, and subtropical woods, with a wide variety of flora and fauna.
What
Make
do we
up
mean
the
by flora and
northeastern
fauna,
mini
beta?
Veld.
What is flora? What is fauna?
Ma'am, plants and animals.
Yes, flora refers to plants, fauna refers to animals.
While sheep and cattle graze on the western veld. Veld is Dutch word meaning the flat open land with grass and no trees. Veld is a temperate grassland in humid areas, oak, pine, what that is pronounced Eucally,
Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus.
eucalyptus and myrtle are important trees. This
Okay.
region is rich in wildlife. Maize, tobacco and fruits are grown in the veld region.
Okay. So she
Cattle
has
rearing
told us about the important trees, right? And the crops. पढ़ो आगे. Read further, बच्चे.
Cattle rearing is also an important occupation in this region. But the most important industry in the world region is sheep rearing. Wool is exported to England and other European countries. Mining is another important occupation. The region is rich in coal, gold and diamonds. The famous diamond mines of Kimberley are on the western borders of Wales. Towards north, the Veld slopes down gently to meet the Limpopo River. The slopes are warmer than the higher parts.
Right.
In
So
the
it is
fringe,
pretty obvious as we know that the higher we go, right? As the higher we go, the colder it gets. That is why यहाँ पे जो slopes होते हैं, they are warmer than the higher parts of the plateau. आगे बढ़ो.
in the areas, maize, fruits, cotton, and tobacco are important crops. The Veld is rich in resources. Therefore, agriculture as well as mineral-based industries have given rise to growth of towns. For example, Pretoria is an important town which specializes in iron, steel, railways, and medicine industries. This development has reduced the grassland to a considerable extent and has affected its natural environment.
Okay. ठीक है. So I think it is pretty simple and clear. Is there anything which you need to understand about the wells जो कुछ नहीं समझ में आया या कुछ पूछना हो wells के बारे में? Is there any such thing, kids? Any doubts anybody has? No. So shall we start the question answers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Name the largest desert of the world.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Sahara
Sahara
Desert.
Desert.
Very good. Sahara Desert. Next is what is an oasis?
The area in desert
Wait, stop.
with
Yes,
water
very
at or
stop, Ashray. Stop, Ashray. Yes, Panchal, give me the answer. You need to raise your hand and then answer.
Oases are areas in deserts with water at or near the Earth's surface and are fertile for growing crops.
Very good, very good. The area near the areas in the desert where water is found at or near the surface, and these areas are usually very fertile. You can write it on your own, you can look from the book. Okay. Next is, why do the people living in the desert wear loose clothes? Yes, Rena.
Okay, ma'am. The people living in the desert wear loose clothes to protect themselves from the direct heat of the sun and to keep them cool.
Exactly, absolutely correct. Next question is, who are fellas? Yes, Ashray.
Ma'am, farmers of the Nile Valley are known as fellahs.
Farmers of the Nile valleys are known as fellas. Absolutely correct. Next question is, what is the location of Ladakh? Yes, Atharv.
Ladakh is located in the northern India, which lies in the Himalayan and the Karakoram ranges.
Very good.
It is the highland desert lying in the Karakoram and Himalaya ranges.
ठीक है, absolutely correct. Right?
Ma'am, can we write Ladakh is located in the north of India?
No, you mentioned that, no? Ladakh is a highland located between the Karakoram and the Himalayan ranges in India. ठीक है? Okay. Next question is, name the
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Next question is, name the two locations of Ladakh, major districts of Ladakh. Yes, Yashmit.
Two districts of Ladakh are Leh and Kargil,
Leh
with
and
Leh as
Kargil.
capital.
ठीक है, correct. Next is, name any two agricultural products of Ladakh. Two agricultural products of Ladakh. Yes, Rena.
Ma'am, to agriculture, ma'am, it can be
Ma'am, may I
barley.
tell?
You can raise your hand, Harsh, if you know the answer.
Okay,
Ma'am, it
ma'am.
can be barley and buckwheat.
Yes.
Ma'am, it can be barley and buckwheat.
Yes. Any two could be written. Bal and Bakfir is also correct.
Okay.
They're on the same page. More props are given. You can write any two of them. Next is, hmm, name the winds which bring rainfall to the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. This would be answered by Alankrita Yadav. Alankrita Yadav, name the winds which bring rainfall to the Ganga Brahmaputra region.
Ma'am, may I tell Akshat?
Yes, Akshaj.
A
Ma'am,
monsoon wind.
monsoon.
Southwest monsoon winds. Next question. What is the major economic activity of the people of the temperate region? Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Anybody else?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
tell?
Darshika.
Ma'am, it is on the page number 88. Livestock rearing is a developed economic activity in this region.
You can write that, yes. That livestock rearing is a major economic activity of the people of the temperate region. Correct? Next is, what is an estancia?
Ma'am, may I tell Akshat?
Anaya will tell, Anaya.
Echinacea is a large cattle farm which is managed like a factory.
एस्टिनेशन ही बोलते हैं, स्टैंशिया बोलते हैं. स्टैंशिया large cattle farms to manage like factories. Next question is, what is the chief industry of Argentina?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell Akshat?
Yes, Akshaj.
It is meat production and cattle rearing, sheep and cattle rearing.
Okay, anybody else? Yes, Rashika.
Ma'am, meat packing and processing.
Yes, the correct answer is meat packing and processing is the major economy or the chief industry of Argentina. That is meat packing and processing. Last short question. What is the occupation of the people of the गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र basin? ये which काट के यहाँ पे what कर लो अपनी बुक में क्वेश्चन गलत लिखा हुआ है. Which it should be what. ठीक है, corrected. The question should be what is the major occupation of the people of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin? This would be answered by Yatharth.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
tell?
Riddhi will tell.
The major occupation of the people is agriculture.
Absolutely correct. Agriculture is the major occupation of the people of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So children, I think first you should do the short question answers and then we'll discuss the long, right?
And what is the answer of the fifth short answer? What is the location of Ladakh?
Ladakh is a highland desert located in between the Karakoram and Himalayan ranges in India.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please tell the answer of what is the major economic activity of the people of temperate region?
Cattle rearing
Okay, ma'am.
or livestock rearing. Anybody else? Any other doubt? So please start doing the question answers as soon as you complete 2 questions or through 3 questions. As soon as you complete 3 questions, please send them on the group. Okay? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can turn your videos now and keep doing your work so that I can see whether you're doing your work or not. Start doing your question answers, everyone.
We don't have to do the new word.
New words have to be done, kids. तो पहले ही बोला पता है करने हैं.
Ma'am, we are doing long answers.
Short. New words and short answers. Class 7th, if you have done the new words and short answers, then please do the maths. Yesterday I told you children to take certain screenshots. Do that. As soon as you have done 2 questions, you will please send them on the group. Okay, children? Good morning, Aditya. Hi. Aditya Gupta, good morning. Beta, we have just discussed the short question answers and we are doing them. Have you
Excuse me,
complete?
ma'am.
Yes, Ashray?
Ma'am, can you again repeat 11th short answer?
Yes, beta. 11th question is the chief industry is meat packing and processing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Panchal.
The question number one, name the largest desert of the world. It can also be Antarctica. It is not mentioned hot
But
desert.
because we haven't read about Antarctica, so we will write Sahara is the largest hot desert of the world. Okay, we'll go with the syllabus
Okay.
part.
Okay.
You can specify that Sahara is the largest hot desert. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Anji,
Ma'am, as I was not present in the class, so can you tell me the third short answer?
third is the people in desert wear loose clothes to avoid the heat and dust. Okay. Which page number it is giving on, beta? Page number is 54. Top. ठीक है 54 पे सबसे ऊपर देखो आप. Right, the people in the desert wear loose fitting clothes which protect them from the direct heat of the sun and keep them cool.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Hanji Aditya, have you done the new words? Aditya Gupta, have you done the new words?
No, ma'am.
Please do that first, and then the children will be sharing their answers in the group right now. So, with the help of that, you can also complete the short answers. Okay? Dear kids, kindly keep your videos on so that I can keep a check on you.
Ma'am, done all.
Well done, Ashray. Please share them on the group, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have posted on the group.
Okay, beta. Try to find the long answers as well and then start doing them too.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashri, you have not done the new words?
Ma'am, I forgot to do the new words after the long answer. I'll do the notes and the new words at the last.
Okay. Seven, eight children, have you completed your short question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So please send them on the group as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and then you also try to find the long answers and start doing them too.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलिए रुति.
Ma'am, I have sent on the group.
Okay. Start doing the long ones, no? Try to find the answers and do them. Then we'll discuss them after everybody has done the long ones, short ones.
Ma'am, I have also a sense.
Good, Ansh.
Ma'am, can we discuss the long answers?
Better let everybody do the short ones first, no? And they may get confused. In the meanwhile, you can do the map work, but map is also to be done.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, please send whatever work you have done till now. Everybody is supposed to share their work on the group. जितना भी हुआ है प्लीज ग्रुप पे शेयर करिए everyone.
And we have to also do all the new words.
Yes, beta, all the new words are to be done.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have made double-sided notebook and I have done my half of the question answer.
It's, it's fine, beta, no issues. But you should have taken
Okay.
time for picture.
Okay.
Keep sharing your work on WhatsApp, whatever you have done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the map on the extremely first page, I have Africa political map. Can you fill on that?
Ma'am, can you one time repeat the question 11?
Will you please repeat the question for a while?
Question 11.
Will you please speak the question? Read the question out.
What is the chief industry of Argentina?
Meat packaging and processing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please tell the two agricultural products of Ladakh?
Buckwheat and barley.
Thank you.